Think about planning a big event, a wedding, a product launch, a school fest. You don't just jump in. First, you set a date. Then comes the budget, venue, team assignments, vendor calls, and follow-ups. From vision to execution, every step needs coordination, decisions, and leadership. That's not just planning an event, that's management in motion. In this video, let's uncover the 5 core functions of management and see how great managers turn plans into performance. The first function of management is planning, the foundation that holds everything else together. Planning is all about answering 3 simple but powerful questions. What do we want to achieve? When must it be done? What resources will we need? Say a company wants to launch an online store next year, planning helps decide how to do it, where to invest, and what steps to take. Without a plan, even the best ideas drift aimlessly. With it, you move with purpose, direction, and clarity. Once the plan is ready, it's time to set the structure. That's where organizing comes in. It means turning strategy into action by breaking work into clear, manageable tasks, grouping similar tasks into departments, assigning responsibilities and delegating authority. Think of it like constructing a building. Planning lays the blueprint, but organizing stacks the bricks and connects the rooms. Without structure, even the best plans fall apart. You can't build a strong organization without the right people. That's where staffing comes in, the function focused on finding, preparing, and placing talent. It covers recruitment and selection, choosing the best fit, training and development, nurturing skills and potential, placement, putting the right person in the right role. Whether it's hiring engineers for a tech firm or teachers for a school, effective staffing ensures that people and positions align perfectly. Here's where the energy kicks in, directing, the heartbeat of management. This is more than giving instructions. It's about leading with clarity and purpose. Clear communication so everyone knows what to do. Motivation to keep the team energized. Guidance ensuring every step moves toward the goal. A perfect plan on paper means nothing if the team lacks drive. Directing turns potential into progress by aligning minds, actions, and spirit. And finally, controlling. It's what keeps the entire system aligned and moving forward. Think of it like the dashboard of a car, always monitoring speed, direction, and fuel. Managers use controlling to compare performance with set goals, spot deviations and delays, take timely corrective action. Without this function, even the best teams can lose focus. Controlling keeps the mission on course and momentum alive. Let's bring it all together with a real example, launching a new smartphone. It begins with planning the features, timeline, and budget. Then, organizing, assigning roles across design, marketing, and logistics. Staffing brings in the right engineers, designers, and marketers. Directing kicks in, leading teams, launching campaigns, resolving roadblocks. Finally, controlling ensures product quality and gathers feedback from the market. One product. 5 powerful functions. That's management, turning vision into reality. Let's quickly recap the 5 pillars of management. Planning defines what needs to be achieved. Organizing creates the structure to make it happen. Staffing brings in the right people for the job. Directing drives the energy and focus forward. Controlling checks the path and corrects the course. Together, they form a continuous cycle, the engine that keeps every organization on track and moving forward. So now you've seen the engine of management in motion: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. But what keeps those gears turning together? In our next video, we uncover coordination, the silent force that holds it all in sync. Stick around, the deeper you go, the clearer management becomes.